Morning, everyone. It's 8:37, and this is your pre-opening comment for Tuesday, the 3rd of August. It's video number 879, and if you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification, you'll never miss another one of these or any of my intraday stock-specific videos. Okay, Asia and Europe, both slightly lower. Asia more than Europe. Europe is a little standoffish. Asia was outright down. We have factory orders today, but those don't come out until 10 o'clock, so I'm not holding up the video in order to be able to bring those. Chinese gaming stocks, Tencent in particular. Chinese government comes out initially and says that online gaming is detrimental. As they put it, it is opium of the mind. That sent Tencent and a couple of other video gaming companies down hard. They came back out a little while later and toned down the rhetoric, but even with a little bit of a rebound, Tencent is 466 down 29 or 6.1%. We had a bunch of earnings and some big wins, some big disappointments. BP beat top and bottom line, reinstitutes a dividend, discusses the buyback. The stock is $25.51 up $1.37, 5.77%. Last night we had Take-Two Interactive with a miss on revenues, a slight beat on earnings, but negative guidance going forward. The stock had closed 173.21 last night. It was around 168, 169. This morning it's 165.65, down 756 or 4.3%. Simon Properties beat top and bottom. It's 129.90 up 358. Alibaba missed on revenues, and the stock is 197 down 3, and that one's been really all over the place for the past several weeks. Give you a look at that. This is regular hours. It closed 200.9 cents, and that was up 4.90. This morning in the pre-market, it has been down as low as 194. Last is 199.5, and that's down now only 59 cents. And Clorox, which was a COVID big winner and now a reopening big loser, misses top and bottom. Margins decreased 300 basis points. And as you can see, the stock had already come down from a high of 231 to close yesterday 181. This morning is 161.14, and that is down just over $20 or 11%. Under Armour also on the earnings. Stock closed yesterday 21.11, up 66 cents in anticipation. This morning traded as high as $23, last $22.50, up $1.39 or 6.58%. This is the intraday chart going back about 7 days for the S&P. We got short yesterday just before the close, and it looks to me like we're rolling over. If we break these lows, and I think that this is the lowest close, which would be 43.72, currently right now 43.88.5. The problem here is that overnight, and when I got up this morning, the S&P was up about $20. Same situation with the Dow. The Dow was up 165, and it's now up just 84. And so if we break, this little area in here, it's a fairly good distance down, 433, maybe 43.35. So 443 and a half on the basis of the SPY versus the actual S&P. But it has given up the most of the loss, most of the gain here. So we'll have to see how this works out. This was a very short-term play, so if we break through the highs here at, let's see, 43.96 or so, then I'll have to take a small loss on that trade. If not, we could do pretty well here. As you can see, we have crossed, 5-day has crossed the purple line, crossed the blue line, which in fact had gone pretty much horizontal. And if we do come down, the next area of support is 43.65. So still, we're in the 435s. I would expect to see a nice gain there. Gold is down. The bonds are up slightly. They were lower. When you get this kind of a sell-off, you get a bit of a flight to safety, which is, I think, what we've seen. But the biggest mover this morning has been the oil. It actually was up, closed yesterday 71.26, which was down 269. It was 71.96 this morning, which was up 70 cents, and then it came down and made the low at 69.73. It's worked its way back up a little, but here's that same time frame, the last couple of days, and as you can see, we have a top, a lower top, and then yesterday's lower top. So I think we could get down into the mid 68 area, 68.80, 69, in that area before finding any real support. All right, everyone, there you go. We have a lot of news this week. As I said, factory orders comes out at 10 o'clock. ADP numbers come out Friday. We have the July employment numbers. So there's a fair amount of stuff to be concerned about here. Have a good day. Keep your position size appropriate, and you'll be just fine.